everyone, this is Manat Jagya. In today's session, I'm going to discuss a few more questions on Francis Bacon. So, my today's first question is, certainly virtue is like precious odors, most fragrant when they are incensed or crushed. These words appear in A. of truth, B. of adversity, C. of friendship, D. of ambition. I'll read the quote again. It's a beautiful one. Certainly virtue is like precious odors. Odors is fragrances, and he is comparing virtues to odors. Most fragrant, and these odors are more powerful and most fragrant when they are incensed or crushed. The fragrance comes more when a virtue is crushed. So this quote is from his essay Of Adversity. Remember, in this essay of adversity, Francis Bacon is comparing prosperity and adversity. And he says that in a way, adversity is good to bring out the best in you. This is what he has discussed in his essay of adversity. Now, Francis Bacon has used many Greek and Latin sayings in this particular essay. In fact, he starts this essay with a quote by Seneca, the Roman philosopher. And also you need to remember that in this particular essay, he discusses the story of Job from Bible. Job, who was a very religious man and he had to suffer a lot. God had inflicted him with many diseases, and he had to give up on his family, his children, everybody. All his wealth was taken away from him, and he was filled with sores all over his body. And finally God does heal Job at the end, and he is blessed twice as much as he had before. Everything is given to him in double measure. So he discusses the example of Job in this particular essay of adversity. Please remember this. The next question is, who was holding the title Lord Verulam or Viscount St. Albans? So I have discussed this earlier also. Francis Bacon held the title of Lord Verulam or St. Albans. Please remember this little information about Francis Bacon. So that's all about today's session. In today's class, I have discussed two more questions with you on Francis Bacon. A little bit information about his essay of adversity, and about Francis Bacon too, that he was called as Lord Verulam or St. Albans. That's all for this session. Thank you.